Students, now you are going to learn about cube root. Cube root of a number x is denoted as cube root of x. For that is cube root of x or x power 1 by 3. It is a cube root. For already you are learned about the square root. For square root we have you are learned about the long division method, prime factorization method. But in the cube root we have to use only the prime factorization method. Exercise 1.5 third problem. Show that 1944 is not a perfect cube. First you have to find for prime factorization method. You have to use only prime numbers. First you have to use 2, 9 2s are 18, balance 1, 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again 2, that is 4 2s are 8, balance 1, that means 17. 8 2s are 16, balance 1, 6 2s are 12. Then again 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. Now 3 table, 8 3s are 24, 1 3 is 3. Next again 3 table, 2 3s are 6, balance 2 is there, so next number is a 21. So 7 3s are 21. Now for again 3 table, 9 3s are 27. Again 3 table, 3 times, again 1 time. Now this 1944 you have to make it as a cubic number. For pair of for one group you have to make a 3 numbers. So that is for here itself you have to make, that is for here 1 2 3. For this is one group, 1 2 3. So this is one group. For next remaining 3, 2 3s are there, 3 into 3. For this is not our group. For a, we have to make a group for 3 numbers. So that is for 3 into 3. For this one not our pair. So that is we need one more 3 to make it as a perfect cube. Perfect cube means it is a cubic number. Power is 3. So for here we have, suppose we are making this as a power, it's a 2 only power. So we need one more 3. So 1944 is not a perfect cube. Fourth question, find the smallest number by which 10,985 should be divided. Show that the quotient is a perfect cube. So we want to find the smallest required number. Use prime factorization method for 10,985. That is for this 10,985, for it is divisible by 5. That is for 2 times, then 1 5 is 5, balance 4, that is 48, 9 5s are 45, balance 3, 7 5s are 35. Next 13 table is possible, that is 1 times, balance 8, so this is 89, 89 in 89, 6 times 13 is there. Then again balance is 11, so next number is 117, so it is 9 times. 169, it is again 13th table, that is 13 time. 13 is divisible 1 time. So now for you make it as a cubic number, that is 113 cube is there, that is 5 into 13 into 13 into 13, that is 13 cube into 5. So for suppose your which smallest number is divided by the given number, it's become a perfect cube. So that smallest number we want to find. So for this 10,985, for this it is a separate number, so it is not a cubic number. Divided by this number we get 2197. Suppose you want to do that, normal long division method is normal division method you have to follow, that is 2197. Now for this is 2197 is a perfect cube. That is here itself, you know, for one step you are reduced, you get it is become a cubic number. So this is a cubic number, so that the smallest required number equal to 5. Fifth question, find the smallest number by which 200 should be multiplied to make multiplied to make it a perfect cube. Now 200 divided by 2, that is 100, then again 2 50, again 2 25, 5 times, then 5 is 1 time. You have to find the prime factorization method, write the factors, then you make it as a cubic number 2 cube. This 5 into 5, it is not a cubic number, write it separately. We need for it's become a, when it's become a cubic number, one more 5 have to multiple, so we need one more 5 to make it a perfect cube. So this 200 multiple by 5. 200 multiple by 5. 200 is a given number. Multiple by 5, it has become a 1000. Now 1000 is a perfect cube. So that the smallest recurrent number equal to 5. Sixth question, find the cube root of 24 into 36 into 80 into 25. We have to find the cube root of this number. For the sixth problem, we have 1, 2, 3. 4 numbers are the product of 4 numbers. For each number, you no need to make a multiplication for this number. Simply, we have to find a factorization method, prime factorization method. First, you have to find a prime factor for 24, 36, 80 and 25. Find separately. Then, cube root, we want to find cube root, write this form, cube root. For write the question, that is equal to cube root of the first one factors you write 3 into, for up to this is the first one factors, up to this is first one factors. Next, second one factors, up to this is second one factors. Next, fourth one factor is up to this is a fourth one factor. For next, the last one, sorry, it is a first one factor, it is second one factor, it is a third one factor, fourth one factor is 5 into 5. Now you make it as a cubic number. For count the 3's, 1, 2, 3, so 3 cube. Count the 2's, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 cube. Then again 2, 3 numbers, make it as a group. Make a cubic number, 1, 2, 3. Again 2 cube. Again another one, 2 cube. Then 5 into 5 is there. For now 5 into, for here it is, listen, 5 into 5 into 5. 3 5's are there, so 5 cube. So now cube and cube root become cancel. It is cube and cube root cancel. So 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So you have to make multiple, it's become a 120. Seventh question, find the cube root of 729 and 6859 by prime factorization. You have to find a prime factorization separately. First you have to find for 729, then 6859. For the normally how we are using the prime factorization method, the same way you have to find. For 6859, the factor is 19. Then it is a 3 times. For it is a 68, 3 times is there, balance 11, that is 115. It is a 6 times, then balance 1, it is a 19, so 1 time. So it is a square number, so 19 into 19 is 361. Then again divided by 19, it is 1. So the factors 19 into 19 into 19. You write it, 729 is, make a cubic number, 3 cube into 3 cube. It is a 19 cube. So we want to find the cube root of 729. That is cube root of, find their factors, 3 cube into 3 cube. Cube and cube root become cancel. That is a cube root cancel. So 3 into 3. So that is equal to 9. For here also cube root and cube cancel. That is equal to 19. So the answer 19 and the first one answer is 9. Second one answer is 19. Eighth question, what is the square root of cube root of 46,656? Square root of cube root of 46,656. The given question, write in the form square root of cube root of 46,656. The given wordings is rewritten as this form. You have to find the prime factorization method for 46,656. First 2 table. Then again 2 table. You have to find the normal way you have to find. So now the factors of this you have to find out, that is 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube into 3 cube. So square root of cube root of 46,656. So that is cube root of, for take and write this, 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube. For this is 3 cube. So now cube and cube root is cancel. So square root of, for inside first you have to complete this cube root, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So that is root 36. Root 36 value is equal to 6. So answer 6. Ninth question, if the cube of squared number is 729, find the square root of the number. First you have to find the prime factorization, prime factors for 729. For then you have to write this for write the factors, prime factors, then you make it as a cubic number, that is 3 cube into 3 cube. So that is cube root of 729 is cube root of 3 cube into 3 cube, that is 3 into 3. How it is 3 into 3? Cube root and cube cancel. So 3 3s are 9. For therefore cube of 9 is 729. Cube of 9 means 9 cube. 9 into 9 into 9 is 729. So that is for this 9 equal to 3 into 3. For 3 is squared to get a 9. 3 square. 3 is squared. So 3 into 3. So we want to find out the square root for this number. Root 3 we want to find the square. Once again listen students. For up to this you have to find. For we want to find that cube of that squared number. So that means cube of number for this 9 is a cube of 729. That is 9 cube equal to 729. For that 9 is a square number. So how you get that square number? 3 into 3. So this 3 is a squared to get a 9. So we want to find the square root of 3. So we have to find out square root of 3 value. So it is a long division method. Normally for 3 we want to find 3 point. We need 3 decimal places. So 3 pair of zeros you have to write. So that is first 3 you have to find for a numbers. That is a factors you have to find. The quotient you have to find. That is 1 time. 1 into 1 1. So balance 2. Bring down the next pair. So that is now it is a 200. For first you multiple by this 1 multiple by 2. So now 200 satisfied. So that is 2 along with 2 which is satisfied. Which number is satisfied? It is a 200. So that is 7 7. So that is 7 7s are 49. Balance 4. 2 7s are 14. It is 189. So you have subtract this 11. Bring down the next pair of zeros. So now you have to multiple, already it is 1 2 is 2, 17 is there, 17 into 2 is 34, 17 into 2 is 34, for along with this 34, which number have to satisfy 1100, so that is 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, balance 1 10, so that is 1029. Next again you have to multiple 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14, balance 1, 1 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 3. So now this 346 along with this digit which is possible you get 7100. So 2 is possible, 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, balance 1 8 plus 1 9, 6924. You have to subtract this 176. So the value is 1.732. So root 3 equal to 1.732. 10th question. Find the two smallest perfect square number which when multiplied together gives a perfect cube number. 2. We have to find the smallest perfect square number. You have to multiply that square number. It's become a cubic number. We have to consider 2 square and 4 square, 2 into 2 and 4 into 4. The numbers are 2 square value 4, 4 square value 16. Their product 4 into 16 is 64. 64 is a cubic number, 4 into 4 into 4. So the squared number, the required square number are 4 and 16.